Hello and welcome back. En Felices Pascuas, I say in Spanish. I don't know how to say in English, but sure. Hope Happy Easter Day, I think it's in English. Okay, let's start. Today we're gonna make a video how to start to be a trader or to investing, how to trading and how to invest, what to do it first, and some advice that the best way to start it. Okay, I will try to make the faster than possible the video, but I think it's very important to everybody know and how to do it the best, sorry, how to start the best way than possible without spend too much money and without lose too much money. O sea, with only make profits. Let's start. A very important fact is that only from all the humankind in the planet, all the human population, only a 10%, I have here writing all here, all what I want to say, I make more easy the video. Only a 10% of the people are investing. You imagine only 10%, it's almost nobody. And from this 10%, only 1 or 2% are the richest of the richest. So stop to thinking about it. Okay, let's start how we can begin to trade. How we can start. First of all, we make here account in Etoro. Why? Because I don't want to pay commission. The first and everything is that we don't need to pay commission. We need to think that we don't want to pay commission because we have less small portfolio and we want to save money in that time for we can invest more. So what we do it? We start example here in Etoro we have the stocks and the ETF. They don't need to pay commission for them when you pay in leverage X1, when you buy in leverage X1. So we're gonna buy here only stocks in X1 and ETF in X1 without selling, only buy them. Close an open position, how the strategies I will write it down below is the videos I do it before, but I will also put down here. If you first time in the channel, you can go take it. Okay, let's start. We start invested only in stocks and ETF, X1, no leverage. Okay, only in buy, and we will use the list that I will give you. You can use that one. You can also find your own, but I give you mine that I think which stocks and which dividends are good for investing. And if the price go against us strategy and we are like losing money, we just keep that position because we just concentrate in next one. In the long term, the market will go again up and we will take back that money. And also because we hold it that position, we will get dividends. But at the end, what we really want to do it is make a big portfolio who give us money with dividend, and a small amount of us capital will be used for trade the market. Like this, we will make the more of the time money saved with dividends and a little bit more risky. It is also not so risky how I will show you now. We will make money by stocks, by speculating the price. And also when the price of the stocks go up in the dividends, we make also money by growing as account like that. The minimum we're gonna use for each operation is $50, but because it's the minimum we can use it. If they was put 25, I would say 25. If they was put 10, I would say 10. I hope they will change this $50 to 25 will be great. Like this, also with very small amount of money, you can start investing. I tell you, I want to explain you something before continue. I make money if you subscribe with my link. Yeah, I want to be transparent everything. You subscribe inside, you put money inside, and you start trade, and then I get commission from that. I get some commission for the money you put inside, and after from your the commission you generate, the fees you generate, I get commission to for myself. 1% of that commission go to me. If I show you to invest in ETF and stocks, there is no commission. It means I don't get nothing. Even first time you go inside of the market, if you trade, till you don't trade at least $10 in commission, they don't give me even the money of the first deposit you make. They don't give me. Why? They give me only when you start trading and you generate the first commission. So I will don't get nothing till you are not good trader, till you are not ready to invest in other stuff that is not only stocks and ETF. So you see, I really don't gonna get nothing till you don't start trade the other. But I advise you, don't start now. Don't make now forex or commodities or index. Why? You get too much commission to pay. That now we have a small account. We cannot risk to spend money in that. We need to use every cent we can for make growing as account, not to pay somebody else. Okay, that's first step. I just was want to be transparent. Second one, I need to read. We make the strategies I show you down below. It's three strategies, really very simple. That you just follow them for buy only, how we will say. Very important to know what time you have free. Example, I tell you Spanish time, because I don't know from which country you are. You look at me, I just tell you in Spanish time. You just check after. In Spain, in the morning, I start trading 8 o'clock in the morning. I wake up okay, I wake up a lot earlier than that. I wake up 5, 6 o'clock normally. I need to give time for the channel. So you wake up early. In the 8 o'clock, you start searching for possible enters. 9 o'clock, start the bell of the European market start. Then you start looking for enters. You trading, and around 11, 12, you can stop trading. That's if you make day trading, okay? Other time good to trade is 3:30 in the evening. It's been 15:30, 15 and 30 minutes is when start the American market. That's other great opportunity till 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock you already forget and you can close everything because it's done. If you are day trading and you make small operations, if you make small operation, I just advise you, you open $50 each operation, close when already you have $1 or $2 or a 10%, $5. Closing that, this, try to grow in your account faster than possible in that way, but following always the strategy. If you have a little bit more time, then you can prepare how I was showing you in the strategy. The stop loss, you don't put it because we trade X1 and it's stocks that we are interested to hold it for long term probably. So we can close and open, close and open. We just try to make increase as account. We put no stop loss, but the take profit we can put exactly like this box that I was showing you. We just choice and make us take profit. If you don't have time at all in the day because you are very busy working, you can use the support and resistance also strategy or the moving average, but open one position and close after when give the opposite signal. It's been 1 month normally this position if you trade in a 1 hour chart. You put the bells every time the price go in the zones you are interested in, support and resistance or this, like this. Doesn't matter where you are working. If you have time for coming a bell, ping, ping, and you have time for looking, even 1 hour later, you can still with the mobile enter in that trade. Like this is one way if you don't have time at all. That's, I think, is a good advice. Okay, let's continue. The minimum for operate, you can start really Etoro with 200. You can already open the account, but I advise to start least with 2000. Like this, you have more operation to open in one day because you have a lot of 50, 50, 50, 50. You can open more. You choose how many you want to open a day and you stick to that one. Like example, you have 2000, you want to open 10 a days. You open only 10 a days is an example. Or just 5 a days or 4 a days, 3 a days. That depends on the capital you have. Let's see, with 2000, let's make 5 operations. Okay? Or $50 one is 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Okay? Yeah, very simple. The rest you keep it. The operation who stock because go down against the probability of going up, you just hold it. He will give you money by dividends because we chose that stocks. And you take order at 250 and start trading order like this. If 50 stay stock, you take 50 more from your 2000. If you start with 200, you have only 4 free operation to do it. 4 operation. Then if they stock all the 4, you need to wait in the market go up again. You get dividends, but you get that wait time. Other stuff, I will give you the list of following list of stocks, my favorite stocks to follow. This means what you're gonna invest it. Sorry, I am reading stuff. The strategies I wanna put you down below. Be realistic with your account. Just try to think in if you make 10% of your account. Doesn't matter which time you need it to do that. It's already great. Then after you try to make a 20% of your account, and then after you take 40% of your account. Like this, go gradually. If you make a 10% in 1 year, it's already better than any bank, than any analyst. If you can say, the most of the analysts don't make that numbers. So, and with these strategies, with this what I say you are able to do that. I am the proof. I show you what I'm doing, so you can see directly what is happening in the market. Even I was holding the first month in red everything, but I get dividends, very small one, but I get it. And then when go up, boom. And then I start trade a little with small amount of the money I have it. I start trade and a 10% already go up in 2 months and a half. So 10% in 2 months, amazing. So you can do that one. Very how I say, you use X1, no leverage. Why? And only stocks and ETF that I will show you the list that you can use. That one you can find maybe other better, but I show you the list that I use it. That is no commission. We don't want to spend extra money. I don't gonna get nothing from you from that, but it's okay. I don't need nothing that you give me now. In the future, when you start trading Google, you start use Forex and this, all this money will come in all in one time. So I invest in you. I'm really investing on you, in that you become a good one, in that you become a trader, in that you become an investor. I am investing on you. Okay, let's continue. You can. I'm telling you. If you have time free, every time free you have it after you already make your operation, that you have your time, take the time for study. The best way to study, don't buy a course, don't need it at the moment. Maybe you will find somebody who is really great and you want to buy, that's up to you, but you need to check that person. But by my point of view, don't need to buy. You have my channel for free completely. You have other channels who have a lot of free information, you can get it also. I will make videos in future about other channels for helping people to upgrade their knowledge and go everywhere. You can buy books. If you want to spend some money, please buy books. That's it. After, I can help you with that. You buy a book, you study, you something don't understand it. Yes, write it to me or in the Telegram or in the down below is the link, or in the comments. You just write me which one is the book, which page you don't understand, what you don't understand. I will read in that book for you and I will explain you what is that. Like this. I have really a lot of books, so probably I will have it, the books you are learning, because really I have more than 1,500 books in Spanish, English, Italian at the moment. Someone in Japanese also, I think. But okay, I have everything. So if like steady, use the your money for buy books. If you want it, buy books. I also selling books, but I tell you, you have all free in the channel. Don't need it. I don't say you to buy me nothing. I will give you everything for free, like always. Steady, steady, steady. I even have writing that. Steady, steady, steady. That's what you need to do it. Every time free. You have 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Please take a book, reading. If you have time for looking a video, then looking one of my videos or other videos, then that's depend of you, but do it. In future, I'm gonna make, okay, I say later. Very important, the market time, how I told you, 8 o'clock in the morning Spanish time or 3:30 in the after food, after lunch time for American market. Helping your account with increase your money each month. Example, you can take $50 a month and put it always to your account and invest that $50 in stocks to give you dividends. Like this, you helping to grow it, because at the end, what we wanted is to make a big account who make the most of the money in dividends, and we trade with a little bit only. Like this, we always are active, or if we completely don't want anymore to trade, just get money from dividends and living with that. That's one. Give it always $50 a month. I example that's it's called average investing average cost, dollar average cost. It's like you every time the one stock you have buy is down, you buy again him, because you know that in the end it's gonna go up, and you average your price. That's one stuff. If happen like now, normally I want to start this account with just 250, and Each month meant 50 or 100, put it inside and start slowly together with everybody. But this last month was so amazing, this fall down, this down tendency, that every time I was down the market, I just increased my amount of money inside my capital and buy and buy and buy, because it's a great opportunity. I buy the stock, of course. I believe it, they're gonna handle it. Only maybe a small portion of stocks that I don't believe can handle it, I just put small one. If they go up 50-60% close and forget about them, I trading them. But the mass, I just buy because I know this is one opportunity. One or two times in your lifetime you can have this opportunity to enter in a market like that. In the great depression, in the great recessions, in the great fall down, in the great bearish market is when the people make more money. This is one step. Okay, because you get amazing stocks for very few price. Just study with the market. um, if for you it's complicated at the moment to start trading and you don't have too much time, and but you want to still make money, I tell you, you can still copy me. I say me because I trust only me. I don't trust till now other. I will study some traders in future and make videos about the popular investor in Etoro, but at the moment I trust only myself, so I just say who you can trade, who you can't copy. But that's up to you. Is really you need to think. I know because I show you everything what I do, so you know exactly what I am doing and why. That's why I think it's nice to copy me, because you know what I'm doing and why. That means you can learn it from that. Then you copy example me with your capital, and you take demo account. The virtual account is here down. You cannot see, but down of my face here you can have the virtual account. You click in virtual, you have $100,000 that you can use for trade. Then you do this strategy with the stocks. I will give you everything. Do the strategies and looking with the same like if it was real. Take $50 for each operation and do the same like if it was real account for you. Forget that you have 100,000. Just think that you have exactly the money you want to put inside of your account at the moment. And trading like that till you learn it. In the same time that you are learning, because you are copying me or other copier or copy wherever you want it, this account will grow in also. So maybe you are 1 year copying and my account growing 50%, you get a 50% extra for trade later. So that's one way. Or you just take this 50% extra, keep it in the copy, and the original amount you put it outside from the copy and use it for your trade. So, or just this 50% you get from the copy you put for trades. You have many ways to use after that one. I will make videos separate about that, how you can use better the copy. Okay, this is other. Let's continue. Very important, make a diary of trading, all your operation. When you open, where you close, which strategy you use, why, which stocks you used it, everything that one. You writing each day all the operations you do it and save it. Also how you feeling. After the month's end, in the down below in my Telegram channel in English, we will make, till now I can do it only for one person a month, so I'm sorry. When I will grow in my YouTube channel, that will be, I already will get paid from YouTube and from um, Etoro, then I can concentrate only in you, in all my followers. Then I don't need to thinking about how I will eat in tomorrow. Then I can help you. I can asking more. I can give more. Sorry, you just send to me your trading diary, and we indirect with everybody, checking what was wrong here, what was right, what you was doing, everything. We discuss all about this for progress. When now I can do with one person a month, I will do it now in future for one person a month. But when YouTube channel I can stop working for somebody else and I can working for myself, this is gonna be my business. My business is gonna be the YouTube channel, the eToro, and you, make you growing. But know you that I ask him, one is you. You that you are copying me, Etoro pay me. You that you are learning, that maybe you want to buy me a book, or maybe you are just following me in YouTube. So that's what mean I concentrate in you, because you is who make me growing. But nobody pay me. You use your money for yourself. by learning, by progressing. That's what I think is a right way to teaching and to exchange information to people, because I don't want to be a teacher. I want to be your friend. I want to help you. I'm here for helping you to make money. Um, Take care always about important news. How I tell you, I think that's stay clear already. Let's now give you the list of following dividends that I use it. Okay, let's check how much time we are already talking. 20 minutes. Oof. Still less than Italian and Spanish. Okay, this is the stocks we will use for make these strategies, and if they go wrong, we just keep it because they give us dividend. Okay, you just stop the screen, make a screenshot, or open your Etoro and put one by one. I just pass to the next one. Here is the next. You just make also a picture screen. Stopping the video, that's up to you. Next one. Let's try to be a little more faster. This is the next one. Okay, now let's go to the ETF. This is all the ETF, the same. Here I also include USO and UNG. Is a way to weaken trading, one ETF, but it's like we are trading natural gas and petrol. So that's are great to use it. If you want, oh, I was don't put it in. If you thinking that you want to sell in oil, we can also introduce this one. It's just ETF that we can use it. Okay, you make stop and copy them. This is like for day trading the most, or for hold it for longer term if you think it's a right solution. Remember faster, we're gonna remember what we say. Stocks, ETF, X1, no commissions. If you don't know what to do it, just copy and make this in demo. The times of the market very important. Just remember 8 o'clock till 11 and 3:30. You can start at 3 better a little bit before for prepare your charts. 3 till 5. That's the times. If no long term, just look the moving average of the support and resistance and only buy. Remember everything only to buy. If something go against you, just hold it because we will keep that stock probably for the long term also. If it's a great price, we just keep it. Concentrating get realistic percentage, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, just go gradually. Don't worry. So that's all. Now I will say you future I'm gonna make how I say videos in direct where I'm gonna show my strategies, my everything. In Telegram you can always contact me. I'm gonna make also video live that you can chat with me in the moment live. We answer questions and everything. So I'm gonna show my strategies in live. I'm gonna make my okay. I'm gonna answer questions if you have it. I'm gonna study other popular investors for say if they are good or no and propose possibilities. We're gonna make maybe one demo account for follow them. Also, we do stuff like that for check everybody for looking if they really are profitable and we can make money with them also. Why not? If I don't use forex, but I have one copier, one a popular investor who is amazing in forex, why not? I can put some money there, copy him, and he make me money each month. So it will be great also. So that's everything for now. Very important. Like if you like it, really please will help me a lot. Comment below if you have a question. Down below you have the strategies. Also I will put the links. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell like this, coming all the news to you every time I upload a new one. Very important also, share with everybody like this channel will grow and more and I can start working with YouTube and Etoro more and building that business that I can really concentrate on you and don't need to concentrate in working for somebody else, and then I can give you all the time I wish to can give to you. Also I was going to say I am a showman, so what I work in it's in the 5-star hotel here in Spain. I make show in the night and in the day I make animation for the people. So I am really busy all the day and I take every second I can for looking the market for study. I am always in the market, always steady, and all the time I have free I use it for make videos for you, for make you helping, for make helping you progress and become financial, for you have a financial freedom, for you can do this stuff alone without need the help of nobody. I am investing on you. I am sure you will be a great trader in the future. Okay, see you next time.